It looks like these two would be friends.
Welcome back to Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun. It's Mommy and Mia and Alan.
And we're having a squishy special. We have 3 soft and slow squishies. We have the costume cuties, the peel to reveal, and a surprise soft and slow squishy. Then we also have a squish-dee-lish Shopkins squishy and a Smooshy Mushy. And Mia added her favorite squishy that we have so far.
It's my first squishy ever.
And it smells really good, and it's really slow rising.
I love the smell of it. I even like the smell of the burger.
Okay, so we are going to go around, and we're each going to pick one squishy to open. And then after that, we'll do the costume cuties. And then last, we'll do peel to reveal.
Okay.
All right, Mia, go first.
Smushy Mushy.
Smooshy Mushy, let's look at the pack.
There's like some on the back.
Squishy Mushies, we have a Sweeties pack. Here are the things you could
You
get.
can have marshmallow, this popsicle that we already have, and this one.
And we have the sushi too. We have 2 so far. All right, let's see what we get this time.
We got a marshmallow.
Ooh, that one's really cute.
It smells super good.
And it's very slow rising.
Yeah, it's a slow rising. It's the little squishy we have. So what's its name? Its name is Shayla Sugar Cube.
Shayla Sugar Cube. All right, Ellen, which one do you want to pick? That one?
I'm thinking I feel like it's surprise squishy candy, but it's not.
No.
Oops, she dropped it.
So here's the cat we got last time from the surprise squishy box. Let's see what we get this time. So let's look at the box. So here are the things that you can get. I would like to get the frog.
I want that one.
Doggy and
I want a meow meow.
another cat. Okay, Ellen.
And I want I think it's like a frog or something. This kitty wants a kitty.
Something purple.
A kitty! We got 2 purple kitties. It looks like her a little bit.
A sleepy one and an awake one.
Yeah. Oh, this
Wait,
looks nice.
Why do I feel like this came out of one of these? I
It
feel
did.
like this.
It did.
It did.
Oh, it did.
This
did come out of one.
Yeah.
I even can see it on the package.
Aw,
I
they look
see
like
it.
they would be friends.
I see it on the package. Right there.
Okay, the kitty got what the kitty wanted. All right, so what's left is Shopkins. Can you hand me the Shopkins?
I want the donut.
The kitties like the sugar cube. And aw, they must have been hungry in their packages. Okay, now let's look at Squish-dee-lish. We have Squish-dee-lish Shopkins. Here are the things that you can get, and this one is a pretty big one. I'm wondering what it is. I have a guess, but let's see.
I want the donut.
I want the donut too. Or the milk. I want the milk.
Donut or milk?
Ooh,
Oh, I have no idea what this is.
this is a flan, I think. This is not what I thought. I thought it was going to be the burger.
Me too. I thought it was going to be the milk.
I think it's that one.
Oh,
I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, not that one.
Oh, maybe it's this one.
Yep.
It looks like that one, but it's a different color. Maybe they're just different colors.
So
Yeah, it's definitely this
squishy.
one. They don't have names. It is very slow rising. Another food for the kitty. Very cute. I like this one.
Watermelon.
You ate all of the watermelon? You must have been starving inside that package. Oh, and the sugar cube's gone too? Okay, now let's do, costume cuties.
I'm so excited.
This is our first costume cutie, and this one, as you can see, is not a blind bag, but it looks really, really cute. Let's get it out of the package.
This feels like it would be a squishy.
Yeah, this one's a little bit harder, and this one's squishy, so you're going to have to
This is
somehow
so
squish
soft.
this
And then
guy
you squish
into the
its head.
costume. Yeah.
Costume.
Aw,
It's a
he's
bunny.
so cute. Yeah, he's a bunny, a tiger bunny. A tiger dressed up as a bunny. Look at the little tail. Awesome. And then you could take it out. Wonder if somebody else would fit in here. You could have a kitty dressed as a bunny.
That's perfect.
It does really fit. It fits really well.
Oh, this also looks like it could come in one of the bags.
Uh-huh.
Bag.
It's a slightly bigger, but this one you can't really tell that it's smaller than that one. I think I like these two colors together better than those two colors. Really cute. All right, let's keep the kitty in the costume. All right, so it looks like Kitty is still eating the flan. We're gonna have a cat dressed as a bunny, and then the tiger. And on to peel to reveal. Okay, so we had one of these before. We got a puppy.
Yeah, like a puppy
We got a
bear.
campfire.
Puppy or a bear? Yeah, it might have been a bear.
I know we got a campfire.
And it was a campfire. Was it this one?
Yeah,
It looked like that one.
almost like that. But it was just blue.
Yeah. All right, so this one has 3 surprises, so we each get to open one of them. Okay, and then let's see what set we got. We have, ooh, a space. Oh, is it another camping set?
Okay.
We got,
Camping.
we got another camping set. There are stickers that you put on 1, 2, 3, and then you can decorate the outside of the container. Let's do that now.
Two. It'd be really cute if all the animals could come and eat.
Or it's either there's different sets or this is the only.
Yeah, maybe there's more than one type of squishy that can come with this set. We don't know. All right, you gonna do the sides?
Yes, I am.
So,
Where are we gonna put this?
I'm here, I guess.
One there.
Okay.
Let's put this here. With this here. And then like they're seeing a shooting star.
Last one.
A planet.
Okay. Now,
We have to flip it over.
okay, Mia, you can go first.
I'm really excited for this. Okay, I'm going to pull back, pull this back. Okay. Ooh, got another campfire. There's a baby. I found a baby.
A baby. We got another campfire. I think we found the exact same set as last time, but that's okay. This is really cool. It's super squishy. It's like a gel squishy instead of a regular, like, slow rising squishy.
It's a gel squishy.
Number 2.
Now, book.
Is a hot dog, which we got last time.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean we're not going to get the same. We might get the same.
Yeah,
We
most
might not.
likely. Most likely we got the same set, but this is a cute set. I love this little hot dog. It's adorable. It was my favorite part of the set the last time we got it.
So cute. I don't know why it's so cute.
All right, let's see about the pet.
Please be a different one. No, it's the same one.
That's so cute.
We got that one
It
last
is.
time.
It's adorable though. It's a little puppy. It has spots on it. It looks like a puppy to me. It looks like the ears are folded down. But somebody in the comments the last time said it was a bear.
Mm-hmm.
It has a little tail.
Yeah, a tiny tail.
It might be a bear because it's in the woods. Or maybe the puppy came camping. Okay.
I am food. I want food. I want to eat a hot dog.
Actually, the hot dog should go there.
Okay. I love squishies. This one's a really fast riser.
Alright, so here is the set we got. It is really cute. I love that hot dog. What's your favorite part of the set?
The little berry or doggy. I think it's the
like
doggy.
this.
You like the pet? Here are other squishies. I love this one. I love the combo of the bunny costume and the kitty that we got out of the blind box.
The bun kitty.
All right, and then we have some flan, and the kitty is still eating that. We have Mia's watermelon and the tiger. All right, before we end the video, let's have a squishing contest. First up, what do you think? Watermelon versus flan. Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay, winner watermelon.
I knew it.
Watermelon versus tiger. Okay, that's as far as Owen can get that tiger down. Ready, set, go. Watermelon again. That was really cool how that one went up though. Okay, watermelon versus kitty. Sleeping kitty. Ready, set, go. Watermelon again. This is no contest. Okay, last but not least. Ready, set, go. Watermelon again. That was really cool. It looked like the kitty was a balloon blowing up. You know, like one of those big balloons that they have, like the air coming in them, or like the Christmas decorations and stuff you see on lawns. All right, now last but not least, sugar cube versus watermelon. Okay, ready, set, go. Watermelon is the winner. Winner, winner, winner.
Winner chicken dinner.
All right, very cool. That's Mia's first squishy, and it is still the slowest riser. Okay, that's all we have for today.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you can see all of our new videos. And check out our Instagram, Surprise Eggs and Toy Fun. And also check out Sweetie the Bearded Dragon on Twitter.
Bye-bye.
Bye.